And we'll do some work on this sheet metal component that's underneath. So we've got a bunch of holes in here, looks like some patterns going on, so we'll do some work and make some changes. I noticed, Mark, on the top right there is a little, it looks like a little icon telling us something. Read on, okay, it's released. So this must be in another project. Could you find out where it's used, if we're using it in another project? Where used, okay. Alright, could you give me a thumbnail of that? Okay. Alright, so yeah, we're using this part in another project. So we can't just edit it at this revision. We need to up-revise this. Hyperlink to up-revise. Okay, I like this. Can you automatically go to revision B for me? Nice. Alright, done. So look after us there. That's cool. So we can continue working on this. So let's get back into the model. Now, actually, this part I think came from SolidWorks or Inventor. It hasn't got a tree, it hasn't got a history. So we need to recognise the features that are in this so we can make some modifications. And as Dan was saying, in ST5 we could recognise holes. That's not new, so that's the first thing we'll do here, recognise the holes. In ST6 we could recognise the patterns, so we'll do that too. In ST7 we can recognise patterns of patterns. So you can see here, this is what we have. We have patterns of patterns. You can see at the top it's talking about 4 occurrences of these patterns of patterns. And it's giving us the option of circular or rectangular recognition. Because we've got 4 holes in those corners around the central, we could do that circular, we could do that rectangular, we'll choose circular. And this means now that it's fully editable. So if we wanted to adjust the pattern of patterns in total, we can do that. So we'll adjust that. But if then post that edit we wanted to adjust one of those individual patterns, we could do that also. So if we change that circular recognition from 4 to 6, that will then update all of those patterns of patterns. So great flexibility when you're working with imported parts. Yeah, good. Super. So again,